Are you looking for the best Chinese 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, GEEETECH MIZAR series. If you want to print multicolored prototypes, then you might need a 3D printer with several extruders. GEEETECH offers an entire series of 3D printers with dual, triple nozzle designs to satisfy various multicolor printing needs. The series includes A10M, A20M, A10T, A30T, and MIZAR M3D printers. While they use the same modular design and the FFF printing technology, each model has unique specifications for different use. There are two printing modes available. The separated color mode allows you to print objects with clearly distinguished color spots, while the gradient color mode is designed to create smooth color transitions. Each printer has a power panic mode, so even if you experience a power outage, your plastic filament won't go to waste. The printing size depends on the model. For example, A10T features 22 by 22 by 26 cm, and A20M has a slightly larger printing volume of 25 by 25 by 25 cm. Number 2. SOVOL SV06, priced at $235. The SV06 3D printer by SOVOL uses FFF technology to create physical objects and prototypes from a vast catalog of CAD models. Featuring a 22 by 22 by 25 print size, it is capable of printing medium and large-sized prototypes for professional or individual use. One of the printer's main selling points is its unique modular design. As a result, the printer can be assembled in 5 easy steps, and any element can be replaced, which prolongs the printer's service life. Thanks to the high extrusion temperature of 300 degrees Celsius, you can experiment with a variety of printing materials. However, if you are planning to print at temperatures over 260 degrees Celsius, you'll need an enclosure, which is not included in the package. Number 3. TISHRIC K1 3D printer. If you want to introduce your kids to 3D printing, then the K1 model is a great and affordable beginner-friendly option for learning. It will cost you around $90, leaving you with enough money to buy a spool of plastic filament for your first printing session. The extrusion temperature is limited to 180 to 230 degrees Celsius, so it is recommended to use PLA material with a melting point of 180 degrees for a smooth printing process. As expected of a low-priced printer, the printing size is 10 by 10 by 10 cm, combined with a printing speed of 10 to 40 mm per second. To ensure that the extruder always stays in the right position, the printer is equipped with a smart leveling system. By pressing one of the 4 control buttons, you can automatically position the extruder on the platform to start printing. The printer comes with its own beginner-friendly slicing and modeling software, so children can learn the basics of 3D modeling. While customers on Aliexpress described the product as a compact and easily assembled printer, the issues include customs problems. The seller doesn't include an invoice in the package, so you can be expected to pay excess tax. Number 4. SIBOOR VORON 0.2. Founded in the technological city of Shenzhen, China, SIBOOR specializes in small 3D printers for hobby workshops and STEM education. In addition to shipping from China, the manufacturer has warehouses in Poland and Italy, meaning that European customers can enjoy reduced delivery times. The brand's most popular model, the VORON 0.2 3D printer, is no bigger than a regular desktop printer. It has a small printing size of 12 by 12 by 12 cm, which is compensated by the 250 mm per second printing speed. Note that it is one of the fastest low-priced printers available on AliExpress. The printer is equipped with a ceramic V6 hot end, which can heat up to 300 degrees Celsius. This allows to use high-temperature filaments like ABS/PA to create physical prototypes for various use. Customers note that the VORON 0.2 is a good choice for both beginners and experienced users. In addition, the SIBOOR tech support exceeds all expectations, One customer complained about a minor issue with the board, and the manufacturer was ready to send a replacement in just one day. Number 5. EASYTHREED K9 Mini. As the product's name suggests, the K9 Mini 3D printer is a beginner-friendly FFF machine that can be used to introduce kids to the basics of 3D printing. The model is capable of printing small objects sized 10 by 10 by 10 cm maximum. For example, your children can print toy soldiers or tiny figurines to play with. The installation and assembly are fairly easy, and the printer comes with its slicing software. In addition, there is a whole catalog of printable 3D models for beginners. You can download them from the manufacturer's website and transfer files to the printer using a USB or an SD card. With a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, the printer features a regular printing speed ranging from 10 to 40 mm per second. Another important feature is that the 3D printer works quietly, not exceeding noise levels of 60 decibels. Considering a low price of $90, the K9 Mini is a good option for learning how to operate a 3D printer before purchasing something more advanced. Note that many customers advise against using the filaments included in the package for your first print as it is of low quality. Number 6. ANYCUBIC KOBRA Neo. Based in Shenzhen, China, ANYCUBIC is a big name in the Chinese world of 3D printing equipment and one of the featured brands on Aliexpress. Characterized by the Keep It Simple motto, the KOBRA Neo 3D printer is one of the best options for FFF printing. With a printing size of 25 by 22 by 22 cm, it is suitable for large-scale printing. In addition to that, the machine is fast. It can print with a 10 cm per second speed, while the direct drive extruder design ensures that filament is extruded in a stable and precise manner. Leveling is important for FFF printing, and KOBRA Neo is equipped with the ANYCUBIC Leveling leveling system. Featuring 25 calibration points, it can compensate for uneven hotbed temperatures, so your printed objects are not wasted or damaged. The printing bed is made of spring steel with pay coating which is bendable and resistant to scratches. Many customers noted that the printer can be assembled even by children in less than 10 minutes. So it is easy to set up and start printing. With a price of $130, the printer features an incredible price-quality ratio. Number 7. ANYCUBIC PHOTON Mono 2. Previously we talked about FFF 3D printers manufactured by ANYCUBIC. But their best-selling 3D printer, the PHOTON Mono 2, is the best solution for resin printing. Equipped with a 6.6-inch 4K LCD screen, it is suitable for beginners and professionals working on high-quality prototypes for industrial use. The large print volume of 16.5 times 14.3 times 8.9 centimeters, or 2 liters, allows the printing of big physical models without sacrificing the fine quality of small details. And to further reduce the layer lines, the printer is equipped with an improved light turbo matrix technology. The printer comes with professional slicing software with a user-friendly interface. For a price of $370, you'll get the 3D printer, a washing station and a set of 4 resin bottles. The printer itself costs only $200. Customers note that the machine is capable of printing objects with gorgeous detail, while minor issues include the low quality of resin included in the standard pack.